I don't know if I can actually upload everything on YouTube, but number 8. I'm gonna try to help you with number 8. Okay. All right. Okay. So it says it has a square. If you read the problem, it says it's a square. Okay. And it has a triangular hole that looks kind of like this. And it says this is the height, and here's the base of the triangle. Okay. All right. And then this is called side and side. You can also call it length and width or base and height. But since for squares, all 4 sides are the same, they often just call them sides. Okay, so if I use S and S, that means the same as base and height or length and width. Okay, good job. Okay, thank you, Evelyn. All right, it says the ratio of height to the triangle, height of the triangle to a side length is 7 to 8. Okay, the ratio of the base B right here to the side length is 1 to 2. Okay, so whatever this is, the entire side is double of that. If the area of the square is 64 square inches, what is the area of the shaded part of the square? And the shaded part is actually everything except for the triangle. So big picture is this. I'm going to find the area of the square, find the area of the triangle, and take this area out by subtracting. Then that will give me the area of the shaded region. Okay, now, since it says the area of the square is 64 square inches, and I know that area of a square is side times side, length times width. So then area is 64. So if you think about what 2 numbers would give you 64, and they have to be the same number because they're the same dimensions, then you'll see that it has to be 8 times 8 equals 64, which means this is 8 here, inches, and this is also 8 inches right here. Okay? All right, so using that and other given information, I'm going to find the area of this triangle. To find the area of a triangle, I need to use this formula, 1/2 times base times height, which means I need to know the dimension for the base and the height. Now, for the height, it says the ratio of the height to the whole length of the square is 7 to 8. Well, since I already know that this is 8, that would make this height 7. That way the ratio is going to be 7 to 8. So that means this height is 7. Now for the base, it says the ratio of the base to the length is 1 to 2, which means this has to be 4, because I already know that this length is 8. So this is 1 to 2. If you simplify it, you get 1 and 2. So which means the base is 4. So now substituting those numbers, area of the triangle is 1/2 times base is 4. So I'm going to write 4 over 1 times the height is 7. I'm going to write 7 over 1. Okay, area equals, so I'm just going to multiply across. So I get 28 here over 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14 square inches. Okay, now what I know is the area of the square is 64 square inches, and now I found that the area of the triangle is 14 square inches. So to find the area of the shaded region, I'm going to take 64 square inches and subtract 14 square inches, and that gives me 50 square inches. Yay! Okay, so I think that's it, you guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know and remind if this is helpful, because you know, with the kids, it's not so easy. Okay, but I hope I miss you guys and I hope you guys have a good time, huh? I don't know where they are. Can you look for them? It's okay. Ah, okay. All right. Okay, students, I miss you and stay safe and please keep your social distance. It's very, very important. You might not have any symptoms, but they say symptoms don't show for several days to like, even up to 2 weeks. So, I would really like to be able to see you guys as early as possible. Please keep your social distance, have fun at home, be safe, clean, wash your hands, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. Okay, I will try to upload something for tomorrow's homework too. All right, okay, bye.